Hi, this is Rich from Alpin Haus. Today we're going to be doing a little spin on the Nashville Hot Chicken. We'll be grilling it on the Big Green Egg. First, we're going to preheat the egg to a temperature of between 4 to 450. We're going to be using boneless chicken thighs for the Nashville Hot Chicken. First, we're going to take the moisture out of the chicken, just patting it dry with some paper towels, and then we'll season it with the dry rub. The dry rub that we're going to be using is a combination of many peppers: chipotle pepper, paprika, white pepper, cayenne pepper. There's some garlic, salt, a nice mix for some heat. I'm going to spray some oil on the chicken. So when I put the chicken on the grill, I'm going to leave it oil side up to get it nice and crispy. So when I put the chicken on the grill, I'm going to go around the outside of it. I started the charcoal in the center, so all the heat will be in the middle. So it'll be more indirect on the outside. With the green egg, it's really easy to make micro adjustments with the temperature just by moving the eggulator just a little bit. About halfway through the cook, we're going to flip the chicken over so we can crisp it up on the other side. So while the chicken's finishing up, it's a perfect time to start the sauce. Today we'll be using a cayenne sauce as the base. So starting off with the sauce, we're going to go with a full stick of butter and 8 ounces of cayenne sauce. Whew, that's hot. So the total cook time should take about 10 to 15 minutes with the boneless thighs. We will check the internal temperature to see where it's at, and we are looking for a target of about 175. So now that the chicken's complete and the sauce is complete, we're going to dip the chicken in the sauce and then plate it on some biscuits. Now we're going to finish it off with some dill pickles on top. So let's give it a try. Oh, that's good. Definitely has a little bit of heat that sneaks up on you afterwards.